This is Duke University.
Whether or not Durham is in a drought, Duke still does what it can to cut back on water usage. Duke's Facilities Management Department has installed underground tanks at East Campus's Williams Field that allows for water to be collected and reused to spray the field. The turf must be watered for safety before practice and games according to NCAA regulations.
We're not using city potable water for anything we don't really need to. We're reusing, recycling water as much as we can. So instead of using city water for that, what we did is we actually installed a couple underground cisterns. So as we're watering the field, any runoff we're actually capturing back into the cisterns, and we're also including some water from stormwater from the area to go to those cisterns. So we're basically using reclaimed water to water these fields, and no city potable water is being used here.
But that's not all. At a chilled water plant on West Campus, a complicated series of pipes and tanks circulate and reuse water that air-conditioned buildings around campus. Water is chilled to 40 degrees and pumped through underground pipes. When the water reaches each building, the heat is transferred and the building air is cooled. This process helps Duke use less water from the city of Durham, meaning more water for residents and less dependency on city water for Duke, which saves money and is more efficient because of the work at the plant.
We fight now for how many gallons of water that we can save or how much electricity that we can save. The way we look at it is if we can reduce our water use, it's not just saving us money by buying less water, but we're also saving the community. That's that many more days that those homes can have water. If we got into another drought, if there was an emergency on the campus where the water couldn't get to us, it would be nice if we could be a little more self-sufficient. So that's kind of our goal. It's to save money, be green about it, but also be a good neighbor to the community.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services. Online at hr.duke.edu.